Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the envelope budgeting system. This time-tested method of cash-based money management has helped millions of people take control of their finances. Today, you'll learn how this traditional approach works and discover modern ways to adapt it for our digital world. The envelope system is perfect for beginners who want a simple, visual way to manage their spending and avoid overspending. Envelope budgeting is a straightforward financial method where you use physical cash and separate envelopes for different spending categories. Each envelope represents a specific budget category like groceries, entertainment, or transportation. The core principle is simple. You can only spend what's physically in each envelope. This creates a tangible connection between your money and your spending habits, making it impossible to overspend in any category. The traditional envelope method follows 3 simple steps. First, you receive your paycheck in cash. Second, you divide this cash into labeled envelopes for each spending category such as rent, food, transportation, and entertainment. Third, you spend money only from the appropriate envelope for each purchase. When an envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category until the next payday. This creates natural spending limits and forces you to prioritize your purchases. Most people start with 6 to 8 basic budget categories. Housing typically takes the largest portion at around $1,200 for rent or mortgage. Food expenses usually run about $400 for groceries and dining out. Transportation costs including gas, insurance, and maintenance often total $300. Entertainment and recreation might get $150. Clothing purchases could be budgeted at $100 monthly. Healthcare expenses, including insurance and medical visits, might require $200. Start with these categories and adjust amounts based on your actual spending patterns. The envelope system offers 2 major advantages for managing your money. First, it provides visual spending control. When you physically handle cash and see it leaving the envelope, spending becomes tangible and real. This psychological connection helps you make more thoughtful purchasing decisions. Second, it prevents overspending completely. Once an envelope is empty, you simply cannot spend more in that category. There's no risk of accidentally going over budget or using credit cards to cover the difference. While the envelope system is powerful, it faces significant challenges in today's world. Most transactions now happen with debit cards, credit cards, and digital payments through apps and online services. Many employers pay through direct deposit rather than cash paychecks. Additionally, carrying large amounts of cash can be impractical and unsafe. You might feel uncomfortable having hundreds of dollars in cash at home or in your wallet. These modern realities require us to adapt the envelope concept for digital use. Fortunately, you can recreate the envelope system using modern tools. Budgeting apps like YNAB or Mint create digital envelopes that automatically track your spending across categories. Multiple bank accounts work well too. Open separate savings accounts for each budget category and transfer money between them. Spreadsheet tracking lets you manually monitor virtual envelope balances using Excel or Google Sheets. Prepaid cards offer another solution. Load specific amounts onto different cards for various spending categories. Each method maintains the core principle of limiting spending to predetermined amounts. You can start envelope budgeting immediately using either approach. If you prefer the traditional cash method, withdraw your next paycheck in cash and set up physical envelopes for your main spending categories. This gives you immediate, tangible spending control. Alternatively, choose a digital adaptation that fits your lifestyle. Download a budgeting app, open additional bank accounts, or create a simple spreadsheet. The key is starting with whichever method feels most comfortable and sustainable for your daily routine. Remember, the best budgeting system is the one you'll actually use consistently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.